Let's now shift focus to the commodity segment. We have Manisha joining in. Manisha, good morning. So what's grabbing your attention this morning?
Well, a couple of declines really in the commodity as a space. Remember, energy has continued to decline, and similar is the case with metals also, where we are headed for perhaps a week for this one. We are looking at dollar index stabilizing at around 108 now. It has seen a range of 107.5 to 110 on the higher side. The second factor to watch is tariff threats now coming in from the US president for various countries, not just Canada and Mexico, but also China and European Union, where there is also a trade deficit when you look at from US markets, and there have been statements to that effect. US Fed meeting on 29th of January is going to be on focus, not because there's going to be a rate change, but because there could be some guidance and statements that could come in from US Fed. And then apart from that, there also is a lot of caution in the international markets ahead of the Lunar New Year holiday in China. Whether or not there will be restocking ahead of that will tell you on where the metal prices are going. So when you look at the specifics here, we have seen the copper prices continue to decline. It has seen another decline of 1% in the overnight markets. Aluminum prices have come sharply off from its 2-month highs that we saw on 20th of January. And the steel rebar prices fell another 0.5% overnight. So whether you see it on a week-on-week basis, month-on-month basis, YTD, we are looking at decline in many of these ferrous metal prices. That's exactly what I want to put it on your screens right now. So when you look at this week, we are looking at most of these metals actually going in for a decline. Copper is down by 4%, aluminum 0.5% of a decline also coming in for zinc. But when you look at the YTD basis, we still are holding firm for many of these metals. That is, the street believes that you could be looking at strong demand going forward. The dollar will see a decline, and a tariff increase would actually mean more expensive metals going forward. So copper continues to outperform. We also are looking at stronger gains for aluminum, but the best of the gains clearly are coming in for gold and silver on a YTD basis, and gold has continued to gain on a weekly and on a YTD basis as well. So the safe haven buying clearly coming in for that one.
All right, Manisha, thank you very much for that. So that's commodities in focus. Well, we'll